Hey, hello, this is PGR and you're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. Fish fry. This is commonly prepared all over the world. And today we're gonna see how to make a simple fish fry at home. I have taken half a kilogram of black pomfret, sliced. We're gonna prepare the masala for marination. Chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, coriander powder half a teaspoon, pepper powder half a teaspoon, salt for taste, half a lemon, squeeze it, 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Now the quantity is for half a kilogram of fish only. Mix it well. Now that it's mixed well, I'm adding a quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Let's massage the fish with the paste. Now let's allow the fish to marinate for 30 minutes, so we'll keep it aside. I've taken a fry pan and heating up the oil in medium flame. So we're gonna cook the fish or fry the fish only in medium flame. Once the oil is warm, once the fish is cooked on one side for 2 minutes, turn it over. Now that the fish is cooked, gently remove it from the oil. Your fish fry is ready to be served. Hope you love my video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.